हेलो फ्रेंड्स, अ वेरी वार्म वेलकम टू ऑल ऑफ यू। चलिए शुरुआत करते हैं अंडरस्टैंडिंग अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पर्सनैलिटी फ्रॉम मॉडर्न इंडिया, दैट इज लाला लाजपत राय। वेलकम टू अनसरकारी। आई एम योर फ्रेंड विकास भारद्वाज। द गोल इज टू अंडरस्टैंड how he contributed not only to the development of society but also to the freedom struggle in a very great manner. That is what we can say is the legacy of Lala Lajpat Rai. Lala Lajpat Rai, a great freedom fighter, he was born in 1865 and he continues his contribution till November 1928. As we know, there was coming of Simon Commission and it was the brutal lathi charge which took away Punjab Kesari, or you can say who was part of Lal Bal Pal triumvirate, that you can say the part of extremist or the legacy that he created in terms of understanding how Congress should move forward. So Lala Lajpat Rai can be seen not only in terms of social development but also in terms of economic rejuvenation, or what we call Swadeshi. For example, he was associated with Punjab National Bank. He also started Lakshmi Insurance Company. That means he was understanding how much important it was to bring incentivization and to bring financial inclusion to the masses, though not on such a large scale that we talk about today, but definitely it was a move forward. Similarly, in terms of social ideas, he was part of Arya Samaj, greatly inspired by Swami Dayanand Saraswati, and he was founder of, or you can say editor of, Lahore based Arya Gadget. So the gadget will be bringing those key areas, those key issues by which the culture and legacy of India can be further promoted. Similarly, his role was with Tribune newspaper. He was going to promote not only Vedic education but English also. That is why it was called Anglo-Vedic. That means he was a traditionalist with modern ideas. He was the person, he was a gentleman who believed that there should be women education, who believed that there must be fight against British, but in a sensible and in a strategic manner. That is why he took part in the political agitation in Punjab as a member of Congress, and he was deported to Mandalay without trial in 1907. He was also a great influential figure where it come to protection of labor interests or the labor class. That means in spite of belonging to business community, he was understanding and he was sensitive to the problems faced by the working class. That is why he was the first president of All India Trade Union Congress in 1920. He was also elected as president of the Indian National Congress at the Calcutta Special Session in 1920. When you are making points and when you are making notes, once you are done writing in your own words, I am sure you will be greatly appreciating legacy of Lala Lajpat Rai. He founded Servants of People Society in Lahore because he was believing in the fact that India must work against the British domination through both political agitation and also through developmental work. Not only in India, he also went to the US and he will be promoting idea of home rule in the US. That means the US must work, or you can say foreign countries must support India's agitation against British, and they must support India's demand for self-rule. That is why he started a journal called Young India and Hindustan Information Services Association. You see the name, Hindustan Information Services Association. That means this body is going to provide information about Hindustan to the people who are interested in it. That is why he had petitioned the Foreign Affairs Committee of the Senate of America, so that he will be seeking moral support for India. He is going to write books also highlighting sociological and political ideas and issues. Lala Lajpat Rai, though, was a great secular politician and a gentleman, but couple of his ideas also highlighted that how he wanted the Hindu idea to be predominant, especially in the later part of his career, and thereby he was talking about the interest of Hindu as a race and as a culture. Probably he was very much dissatisfied and he was very much worried about what was going on, especially in terms of communalism. As I just said, that it was during Simon Commission protest that he got very brutally beaten in a lathi charge, and that is how he will be known. So what we can say is that he is going to write a couple of wonderful books, very important books, which are very important from the examination perspective. For example, the story of my deportation, and another book is that England's debt to India, a historical narrative of British fiscal policy in India, and Unhappy India. So Unhappy India definitely is highlighting what British is claiming, that we are creating legacy in India, we are creating positivity in India, we are actually carrying white man's burden. So all these ideas and thoughts, they were negated by Lala Lajpat Rai and his ideas. What is great about Lala Lajpat Rai was that he was a gentleman throughout, carrying on ideas consistently, greatly devoting and greatly working towards legacy of freedom struggle. He was a multi-faceted personality, having deep interest into politics, society, and also into certain religious ideas. So what question we can take up is that, which have already come up in the CSE 200 2018, that is, he wrote biographies of Mazzini, Garibaldi, Shivaji, and Sri Krishna. He stayed in America for some time and was also elected to the Central Assembly. Who was this gentleman? So we can't say it was Aurobindo Ghosh, because Aurobindo Ghosh went out of the picture of national struggle only after Swadeshi movement. Bipin Chandra Pal also became too old, because he is not going to be uh, writing about Mazzini, but he was a great orator in himself. Whereas Motilal Nehru is concerned, he is also not fitting all the bills correctly. The only gentleman who is fitting the bill is Lala Lajpat Rai, because he was the one who stayed in America for some time and was elected to the Central Assembly also. So that is how what we can say. All the information cannot be at one place. Post facto information generally don't help. जो आता है आंसर उसी से निकालना है, आना भी ऐसा चाहिए जो कि बहुत क्रूशियल और स्टैंडर्ड इन्फॉर्मेशन हो. सो वी हैव ट्राइड टू ब्रिंग इन लॉट ऑफ इन्फॉर्मेशन ओवर हेयर. Some more we have added through question only, and that is what you can take away. Have your own points, have your own notes, revise them consistently, do extremely well, keep it up. There is no shortcut to success. As you can see, Lajpat Rai was not looking for any shortcut, and similarly is the case for you also. So do well. I'm looking forward to your comments and also any kind of feedback. Do like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much for your understanding and giving time for the lesson.